Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arcane, myself Arnab Kundu. Today's video on Python's data frame. What is Python's data frame? Data frame is a two-dimensional data structure. Like a 2D array means two-dimensional array, or a table with rows and columns. So today's video on Python's data frame. So go to the computer screen. I will discuss elaborately what is data frame. Okay. Hello friends, now I am just within the Python IDE, Pycharm, and today I will discuss Pandas DataFrame. The last class I have discussed about the Pandas series. Now today I discuss the Pandas DataFrame. What is DataFrame in Pandas? DataFrame is a two-dimensional data structure, like a table with rows and column, and also we can treat as a 2D array, means two-dimensional array. Okay, so here I'm already create the file where we write the code for Pandas data frame, and the file name is pandas_dataframe.py. We already know the Python is concerned, the extension should be .py. Okay, so at first we write what import means. We at first import the pandas module, so just write import pandas as pd. Why? Because here we use as an alias of this pandas module. So when we call this pandas module, we just call as its alias name here pd. Okay, and at first the example here we create a data frame using two series. Okay, so at first we write like that, d equal, and just write within braces just two series. So just write within double quote steps, right? And after put a colon and just write within third bracket some value, suppose 1100, 1245, 1278, and suppose 1000. And after put a comma and then write another series, suppose we put here duration. Okay, and then again put a colon and then we just write within a third bracket, suppose the duration for 1100 is suppose 40, 1245 suppose 80, for 1278 for example 46, and for 1000 suppose 32. Okay, and this is our d where we put two series here. And now just call this data frame. So just write m equal pd dot, because pd is an alias of this pandas, and just write this data frame and send as argument this d. Okay, and then we just print the m. Okay, and now we just run this Python code, just run pandas_data frame, and just see as an output we get a table where steps is there and duration is there, and by default we get some index, because when we put no index, so by default the index start from 0. So first row had this 0 index and steps 1100 with 40 duration, next 1, then 2, then 3. Okay, so this is a by default index, it's automatically provided into there. Okay, now in pandas there is a by default attribute is there. In pandas there is an attribute is known as lock, LOC. So using this lock we can retrieve the data from this data frame. So here we just write m.loc, and suppose we write the index 0. Okay, now if you run this code, just see. Now if you run this code, just see the output just for the first row. So steps 1100 and duration is 40, right? Now if we want to retrieve two rows, so in that case we just write 0 comma suppose 1, this two row we want to retrieve, and we use a nested, so that's why we're using two brackets. Okay, so after if we again run this, So just see, it provide in a table format again, first row, second row, because LOC in Pandas is an attribute. Okay. Now suppose we want to put some index argument, because not the by default 0, 1, 2, we put the index by the user. So in that case we just write after, when we create the data frame, so just write here index and put just equal, and then just write within this third bracket, and within double quote suppose write day 1 comma day 2 comma within double quote again day 3, and at last we just write day 4, because there is a 4 rows are there. Okay, now after that we just print the m. Okay, so again run and just see, we get the result in form of table, but the index is not start from 0, because we provide explicitly some index value. So day 1 have this step duration, day 2, day 3, day 4. Okay, same way if you want to retrieve this the value of this data frame using this index value, so in that case we using this LOC also, m.loc, and within third bracket just suppose write within double quote suppose day 4. So the 4th row just retrieve from there. So if you run this code again, just see, we get the last one, 1000 steps, and duration is 32. Okay, and same way if you want to retrieve more than one row, so in that case we just write, for example, at first we want to retrieve the day 2 and then go for the day 4. So same way nested should be there, means we are using the third bracket, nested third bracket. Okay, and now if we run again, just see the 2 row just retrieve as form of table. So day 2 is there and day 4. Day 2 is 1, 2, 4, 5, duration is 80, and 4 means 4th row 1032. Okay, I hope you have understood today's topic. Today's topic is very simple. What is Pandas data frame? So data frame is a 2-dimensional data structure in Pandas. Okay, and also it's like a table, have some rows and column, and how to load the data frame, how to store the data within the data frame, and how to retrieve, and by default what the index they have, and if you put some user defined index, then how to put this index and how to retrieve using this index value. Okay, so if you like this video, please like this video, share it, and also comment in the comment section if you have any query, and still you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. So today's up to this. Bye bye.